Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, today I'll be preparing taro stems. These are taro leaves, but I'll take off the leaves and prepare only the stems. So I'll take one by one on our chopping board, then cut off the leaf. So right here, these are the stems. They're the ones they're going to cook. And these leaves will be given to the goats. I'll go ahead and chop them into small pieces like that. They do have a spongy-like texture, just like you're seeing there. I'll then add in my spices, which is a mixture of coriander seeds, cumin seeds and black pepper. And finally, I'll put in our roiko. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, share this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.